Join me as I dive into Samsung's biggest S Pen change ever on the Galaxy S25 Ultra and see if I can uncover all the new features before anyone else. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most anticipated flagship smartphones of the year, and for good reason. As the latest installment in Samsung's esteemed S series, it's expected to bring a slew of innovative features to the table. And one of the most iconic and beloved aspects of the S series is the S Pen. With a rich history dating back to the Galaxy Note series, the S Pen has become an integral part of the Samsung experience, offering users a unique way to interact with their devices. One of the biggest limitations of previous S Pen models is their size and bulkiness. Some users have complained that the stylus can be unwieldy, making it difficult to maneuver in tight spaces. Others have expressed frustration with the limited battery life, forcing them to constantly recharge the S Pen to keep it functional. Moreover, the S Pen's functionality has remained largely unchanged over the years, leading some to feel that it's lost its excitement and novelty. And let's not forget the occasional latency issues and inconsistent performance that have plagued some S Pen users. It's clear that Samsung needs to make some significant changes to the S Pen to keep it relevant and exciting for users. Another area where the S Pen has fallen short is in its design. The current stylus design has remained largely unchanged since its inception, with a few minor tweaks here and there. But users have been crying out for a more ergonomic design that fits comfortably in the hand, allowing for longer usage periods without fatigue. Additionally, the S Pen's button layout has been criticized for being clunky and unintuitive, making it difficult for new users to get accustomed to. Clearly, Samsung needs to go back to the drawing board and rethink the S Pen's design from the ground up. We've also seen some rumors floating around about potential new features that could be coming to the S Pen. One of the most exciting rumors is the addition of advanced gestures and shortcuts, allowing users to perform complex tasks with ease. Another rumor suggests that the S Pen could get a significant boost in terms of sensitivity and accuracy, making it feel more natural and intuitive to use. And then there are rumors of a potential new feature that could allow the S Pen to interact with other devices in the Samsung ecosystem, opening up new possibilities for multi-device functionality. According to sources, Samsung is set to unveil the most significant change to the S Pen yet. Rumor has it that the new S Pen will feature a radical new design that's both ergonomic and aesthetically pleasing. The stylus is said to be slimmer and more lightweight, making it easier to handle and maneuver. But the most exciting feature is the rumored addition of advanced haptic feedback, allowing users to feel tactile sensations while using the S Pen. This could completely revolutionize the way we interact with our devices, making it feel more immersive and engaging. But that's not all. The new S Pen is also said to feature advanced gesture recognition, allowing users to perform complex tasks with ease. And with the rumored addition of advanced AI-powered prediction algorithms, the S Pen could potentially learn and adapt to a user's habits and preferences over time. This could make the S Pen feel more like an extension of the user's hand, rather than a separate tool. And with the potential for seamless interaction with other Samsung devices, the possibilities are endless. The new S Pen could be a total game changer for Samsung, offering users a more intuitive, immersive, and engaging experience. With its radical new design, advanced haptic feedback, and AI-powered gesture recognition, the S Pen could reinvigorate the entire smartphone experience. Whether or not Samsung can pull off this ambitious overhaul remains to be seen, but one thing is for sure, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most exciting devices of the year. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts on the S Pen changes in the comments below. If you want to stay up to date on the latest tech news and rumors, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel for more content.